Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the curve speed feature on CapCut PC. So select speed up here and select curve. You can add in from these options. There's montage, which goes from slow and then it ramps up to a fast, I don't know why I said that, a fast motion. There's hero time, there's bullet, jump cut, flash in, and flash out. But you can also customize your own speed curve using this button here. You can just move it around. So if you want it from kind of slow to super fast, and then to slow again. You can also move just one of the sides of it. You can also add in another circle. So I want to add another one here. I can just press the plus button and it will add another one. You can also apply the smooth slow motion, and I'm just going to choose optical flow for mine because it is a lot better. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!